motion.
But first, before we go exercise, we do some warm-ups to avoid thorns and cramps. So, let's start. We start push-up triangle. Start in a plank position. So, let's one. With your hands closer together, then the shoulder weight apart, forming a triangle shape with your thumbs and index fingers. So, it's one. Next, engage your core. Keep your body straight and lower body until your chest nearly touches your hands. So, this one. Next is push back up to the starting position. Then, exercise with 12 counts. Then, rest 1 minute. Repeat 4 times. Okay, the function of push-up triangle is upper pectoralis major, lower pectoralis major, anterior deltoid, biceps brachii, short head, triceps brachii. Then we're going to the next exercise is a jump squat. So stand with your feet slightly wider than the shoulder with apart, toes pointing forward or slightly outward. This one. Next is bend your knee and hips, keeping your back straight and weight in your heels. Then, lower your body until the thighs are parallel to the ground. Next is push through your hips and knees. Then, land softly on the balls of your feet into the next squat. So you do this, start with 3 sets up 5 to 8 reps for the beginners. Then rest for the 30 to 60 seconds. So let's start to the jump squat. Then start. The target of this exercise is the glutes, this one, the hamstring, the calves, the abs, and the squats, this one. So, let's proceed to the next exercise. So, the next exercise is plank exercise. So, start in a plank position. Place your hands shoulder width apart, directly under your shoulder with your fingers. So, spread wide. Engage your core, draw your belly button towards your spine, and activate your transverse abdominis muscle. So, next is keep your body straight. Straight your body. Maintain your straight line core, head to toes. Then, avoiding any arcing. Position your feet. Place your feet with high apart. Then, with your weight evenly disturbed on your toes. So, this one is the position. Then, count it in 1 minute. So, it 1 minute. Then the target of this muscle are rectus abdominis, transverse abdominis, oblique, internal and external, deltoid, pectoralis or your chest, legs, hamstring, and the quadriceps.
Fourth exercise is the standing arm circle. Starting position. Stand upright with your feet shoulder width apart. Extend both arms straight out to your sides at shoulder height, palms facing down. The next is keep your back straight and your core engaged. Begin making small forward circle with your arms. The next is gradually increase the size of the circle to about 1 to 2 feet in diameter. Next is move a small controlled motion, avoid swinging. Then continue for 10 to 20 seconds or 10 to 15 rotations. After completing forward circles, reverse the direction and make small backward circle. Again, gradually increase the size of the circle. Perform for another 10 to 20 seconds or 10 to 15 rotations. This exercise is 3 to 4 sets. And after exercises, rest for 30 to 60 seconds. The target muscles of this exercise, the standing arm circle, are the biceps brachii, triceps brachii, scapula, rectus abdominis, and oblique. Fifth exercise is the high knees. First is stand tall with your feet hip width apart. And then keep your arms at your sides or bend your elbows at 90 degrees. And then quickly lift your right knee up toward your chest as high as you can. And then at the same time, drive your left arm forward like you're running. And then drive your left knee up and your right arm forward. And continue alternating place rapidly, like jogging in place but with high leg length. And then move at a fast pace but maintain control and proper posture. And then keep your back straight and land lightly on the balls of your feet. Then the repetition time of this exercise is to perform for 30 seconds to 1 minute or 20 to 30 reps per leg as part of a warm-up or cardio session. And then after the rest in 30 to 60 seconds, repeat in 3 to 5 sets. This exercise is target muscle as quadriceps, hamstring, glutes, core muscles, or abs and lower back muscles, and hip flexors muscles that lift the knees. Now the last exercise is a wall push-up. First is stand facing a wall about 2 to 3 feet away. Adjust based on your height, arm length. And then place your hands on the wall at shoulder height and shoulder width apart. And then keep your fingers pointing upward and your palms flat on the wall. Engage core and keep your body in the straight line from head to head. And then inhale as you slowly bend your elbows, lower your chest toward the wall. And then don't let your hips arch your back, maintain a straight posture. And then exhale as you push through your palms to return to starting position. This exercise repetition aim for 10 to 15 reps or 2 to 3 sets Depends on your fitness level. Stop. And then this exercise, the target muscles involved are pectoralis, medial chest, triceps, brachii, or a back of upper arms, and then the anterior deltoids, front of shoulders.
That's all for today. So I hope you learned some basic exercises. Thank you.